Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to my another video. Today we are working on unboxing the Insta360 which I ordered today, and it cost me around 4,200 RMB Chinese yuan. So today we are going to explore and open everything and see what we have got in this package. So this is the lens cap. Let's try to open it. So this is the lens cap, and this is Insta360 X4, which is I think is the newest model. There is the manual how to use this cap. Right, so this is made of I think rubber. It's soft, and yes, it's good for protection, I think. So next is fast charging hub, Insta360 X4. Wow, looks fancy. Fast charging hub. Manual goes this side, and let's see what is inside here. There is a power cable, and here this is the charger. Let's look here. What is next? This is the battery, Insta360 X4. It comes with extra protection and two user manuals, safety guidelines, and the battery information. This is the battery. Well, it comes in another cover. Here's the battery. So here are the three terminals here. We keep it inside and move on. Alright, so this is the selfie stick. What kind of selfie stick it is? Invisible selfie stick, Insta360. When using the camera, okay, the length is 114 centimeter, and the weight is 119 gram. How long it goes. Wow, nice grip. It's quite handy. Okay, it goes here. Now let's go to the main item, which is Insta360 X4 itself, 8K 360 action cam. Waterproof, AI-powered editing, removable lens guards. Okay, let's see what is inside. Wow. Wow, it's quite heavy. I mean, it's the same weight as a GoPro. And there's a cover on the lenses. It's also like a screen protector on this. I'm not sure what are these buttons yet. I still need to learn about it. This is my first time with this Insta360. This is mounting for the selfie stick, or different kind of mounts. What else have we got inside? think bold. What is it? Okay, this is the case. This is the case for the Insta360 camera, and it's quite soft and handy. Zipper. It comes with the charging cable and the cover, the screen protector. It's plastic. Thermal grip cover, and this is I think this is just a cleaner to keep it clean the lenses, just like glasses. Okay, here it goes. Anything else in it? What else? I think that's right, just to make sure that I won't throw something. All right, so this is, and last but not least is the box, the bag to put everything inside. Let's see. And yes, one more thing. This is a 180 GB memory card, micro SD card. Is Samsung. It also comes with it. Probably we should keep it like this. Yeah, to keep the screen safe, to protect the screen, and then put like this. Oh, there is something else in this. I don't know what is that. Oh, so many books. The user manuals. One more. Okay, so these are the lens protector, lens covers. So we need to put them on the screen, on this camera lenses.